How to install, activate, and start building your full site with GutenKit. Install and activate GutenKit blocks on your WordPress. Manage each block and module by individually enabling them. Build your website in minutes with thousands of templates and patterns for Gutenberg. Choose a template and import it to the block editor. Start building web pages with GutenKit blocks. Customize layout with margin, padding, and width. Adjust block position to place the section into your design precisely. Customize background colors and choose border styles. Create responsive designs with visibility control for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Design vibrant websites with motion effects. Reuse colors and maintain consistency with global color scheme. Add custom color in Site Editor and use it to customize styles in GutenKit blocks. Adjust container width simply by dragging mouse cursor. Copy and paste only the styles across the blocks. Create your own templates. Every GutenKit block, template, and module works perfectly with WordPress full site editing. Install GutenKit blocks and say hello to your no-code website building journey with WordPress.